What's going on, guys? Rex here, and today I am going to be making a room tour. Yay. Now let's get into it. So first we got to do is enter this room, my room. We got that Giannis thing still. We got the NES Classic, the PlayStation 4 Pro, a TV, a computer monitor, and Piata that I chopped off. We got over here my bed, my model airplanes, World War I propaganda, 2 World War II propagandas, a Nintendo Entertainment System poster, and a Thanos poster. And next, we are going to the bathroom. We got the GTA San Andreas poster with a New York poster, and Tennessee poster, and that's all for today, guys. Bye.